In this video, I'm sharing the best tips for laying ice and water underlayment on a steep pitch roof, all by yourself without losing your mind. Alright, so first off, when you're working on a steep roof, safety is everything, no joke. You gotta use proper roof jacks and tie yourself off with a harness, trust me, slipping is not worth it. Start by anchoring your roof jacks securely at the right height so you have a solid platform to work from. When you're hanging that ice and water barrier, try to unroll just enough to work with at a time. Don't go too big or it'll be a pain in the neck to manage alone. Using a helper would be ideal, but if you're solo, think about using some heavy-duty clips or temporary anchors at the edges to keep it from sliding off before you nail it down. Keep your tools close by, like a cordless nailer or hammer, so you don't have to keep climbing up and down, which wastes time and energy. Also, work from the bottom up, overlapping each course properly to prevent water leaks later on. And hey, keep your body balanced and take breaks often. Steep roofs are no joke for your legs and back. One of the biggest mistakes people make when laying ice and water underlayment on steep roofs is underestimating how slippery it gets, which leads to rushing and losing balance. Solution? Always use proper fall protection gear and never cut corners on safety. Another common issue is not securing the underlayment properly at the start, causing it to flap or shift when it's windy, so use temporary anchors or clips before you nail things down tight. Lastly, folks often overlap incorrectly or don't seal seams well enough, which can cause leaks and damage later. Make sure you follow manufacturer guidelines for overlap distances and press seams firmly to get that watertight seal. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer if you're tackling big roof jobs like this because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to find more clients looking for home improvement pros in your area.